golden grains in fields so high, grow in sunlight under the sky. Wheat, corn, barley, rice and oats, and breads in bowls, they float like boats. Wheat to flour so soft and fine, makes bread, pasta, cookies divine. Corn gives us popcorn, tortillas and chips, even oil for frying and buttery dips. Barley in soups, warm and thick, or malted for drinks, a favorite pick. Rice for sushi, stir fry and rolls. In sweet desserts it plays its roles. Oats turn to oatmeal, cookies and bars, a morning treat, loved near and far. Grains as raw